Alright, just in case you care what the problem is on this bike, you're not supposed to have oil gushing out between your guide when you go like this. That means it's probably not very tight. I can't just pull it out.
It was definitely moving. I knew it was something going on. I said, I don't think it's a seal, but it's the guide. It's on the outside of the guide.
No, it's definitely not supposed to be doing this. Here, hold that for me. It's actually in there half the price.
Well, I think it might have worn. The guide might be worn in that.
It's probably the carbon.
Yeah. Yeah, probably is the carbon.
Yeah, it's the carbon.
It is the carbon.
You have an O-ring on that or not?
It does.
That's a AVG.
These are good guides.
Well, not really the bronze. So AVG puts O-rings on there. That's no O-ring. That's just a lip.
Is it? That's all it was?
Yeah, so it's probably a kibble. Yeah, AVG will have a blue O-ring in here to keep the oil from going down when it's loose. Instead of putting the guide in tight.
Well,
you can see I was walking back and forth.
It was
wear
too.
mark. This where it's all loose.
Yep.
You can see it goes past here. It's all crappy too. Oh, that is AVG.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
So they didn't put steel. They don't have the O-rings anymore. They quit making O-rings, I guess.
So that black thing is not an O-ring?
Seal, Keenan, it's soft. It's a seal. It's a seal.
Oh, okay. There you go. I thought that was a lip there because there's a lip. Okay, yeah, that is a seal in there. It's burnt.
It didn't prevent from leaking down.
It's as hard as a rock.
Yeah. It's like metal.
It didn't prevent the oil from leaking down. I knew there was a problem, dude. You can
The
see
problem
where
is they didn't put the guide in tight is the problem.
Nope, not enough press, huh?
Yeah, it came loose.
That'll help that I beat the crap out of this bike too.
It doesn't matter. I beat the crap on my bike.
They don't do that, huh?
No, they don't come loose.
You have another guide for it?
So,
How much over is that one? You can magic mic that one up and see it.
We don't know how big over it is. We just know it's not very good. Looks like there's... You see in the hole there, it's not very even. It only see how there's bronze on the very top or metal transfer?
Yeah, I see it. Well, this just you can see all the oil running down it.
Well, that's not bronze. That's the burnt oil up there.
That's what I said. Yeah, you can see where all the oil was going in cooking.
I can smell it.
Oh, it's got my truck stinking.
Stinky truck?
Yeah, my truck smells, man. If I want to go hit it with some solvent before I took.
That wasn't you? I thought that was you.
You want to go wash it up first, Kenneth?
I got to finish up this carburetor first. I'm just seeing what kind of guide we got to choose from over here. So we have shoulderless guides, which is going to be our problem. But we can shorten them way down. So these are basically fat guides all the way down. See, you cut the shoulder off the same guide you got, basically, except there's no lip.
That stem looks smaller though. You're gonna have to ream that one.
Ream it?
That one looks like a till. It's smaller.
Well, it's because I haven't finished it yet.
Well, if I say you're gonna have to ream it.
It's brand new. I think I like that. I don't ream them anyway. I hone them.
Go home.
Big difference in those two. Okay, this one was a 13. Where'd I get it from? That box?
Oh, the 13 bucks.
I got it from, you're smart. That's a good call.
You got it out of 13 bucks.
Not the 12 box.
Do you have 12 bucks?
I said 12 box.
Use your card, bud?
This one is.
It goes on that bike out there?
13.
Yeah, the one on that bike is his. He's loaning it to me, and we're gonna see what's up with mine.
Kind of like carburetor we used on your bike. It's kind of a loaner.
Yeah.
Then you liked it so much you had to buy it.
I know. I like your carburetor. It runs pretty good.
Yeah, I said I'd rather just keep
So
this
we're
on.
about,
What do you want for it?
This is basically a 12 and a half guide. So this was a standard guide. That's no longer standard.
Oh.
So that means we're going to have to go up to something a little bit stronger than a standard. Now we want something that's, I assume you're 5/16 stem, aren't you?
I don't know.
They look like they are from here.
Well, we got to do a valve job on it anyways.
Yeah, we got to measure the stem and see what size it is. We gotta look through our junk valve guide selection. See this ancient crap I never use. 74-inch. That'd be for like a real bike.
Oh.
So here's some guides with some shoulders on them, but they got the thin top on them. These are Evo. +3. That's about the right size for you.
Think you might have scored?
No, it's not the right kind of guide, but it might work. It's your favorite cast iron anyway. Where's your junky one at? Over here. Yeah, lips in the same spot. It's just the, you're going to have to go to a Harley seal instead of the big fat one.
Well, if that's the case, what's my supposed to change them both?
Why? You think the other one's bad too?
No, I don't, but...
You don't think it'd have two of the same problem, would you?
No. I checked the front head. It was fine.
No, these are only 3 over. I don't know if 3 over would be enough. Like that. With this, that looks like a 5/16.
Yeah.
See how fat it looks? If you measure it, you know for sure though. It's 308. That'd be 5/16. Alright, now the problem with putting these is I don't have a... I like to beat my guides in with a big hammer. So I know how tight they are.
Mm-hmm.
Stupid
You got
Evos.
plenty of press, huh?
But Evos and twin cams, you gotta press them in because the guides are too wimpy to beat on with a big hammer. They'll break.
I can't believe these heads are barely... I bought them brand new out the box. These things are barely...
What?
They might be 2 years old.
You just didn't spend enough money, that's the problem.
$1,200.
Like I said, you didn't spend enough money.
Oh yeah, I guess you're right compared to what I pay for the B2s, huh?
Yeah.
Still too loose?
Oh, I wouldn't run that. It's better than what you had.
Yeah.
That's about what yours came out with, all the carbon on it.
Yeah.
Wow.
So that was at 3 over. So that's 3 thou bigger than standard already. It ain't enough. So the only problem is we don't got anything bigger than 3 over on this style of the guide. I don't think. These are racing guides.
Is it possible to make them bigger?
There's more 3 overs.
Like,
Ooh. Boy, that'll go in there tight. That's a 6 over. We'll have to hit that really hard to put that in there.
Yeah, we fucked the tip up on it.
I might break the top of the guide
Yeah.
off. Let's see, what's this one? 6 over. Yeah, we go from 3 to 6.
you'll take off like a thou beating it in.
Okay, what are these ones over here? Oh, here's some Evo guys. What are these? Oh, these are crappy ones. These are 3 over also. These are the big ones like yours, but they don't have the shoulder on them. Those don't help us any. What else do we got here? That's real guides. 12 over. That'll take care of the problem. That'll do it.
Got a board ahead.
Bigger hammer.
Yeah.
All right, you're still out of luck.
Or I can order those bronze ones.
Or I just beat in the damn real ones in here. There's a. This has a lip. This has a shoulder in it. Just
Really?
nothing on it. So you got what? Standard 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you gonna be a 4 or a 5?
5.
I don't know.
You know it'll be tight.
That's right.
It might be too tight. There's the old guide out. Perfect. When it breaks off, we know it's good.
What's that stuff?
Press
Lube.
fit lube.
It's gonna fit now.
Well, Scooby wasn't there to catch it. He's over there behind you.
Well, he knew it wasn't food. He knows food don't make that kind of noise.
He likes it better. He likes you better than me today. See, he's on the other side. Scooby's over there hiding now. See? He's supervising that floor over there. Make sure it doesn't run away. All right, where's my hammer at? You done playing over here?
Yeah.
You sure?
Let's get the gas consumer.
Okay, let's beat on something softer than my steel boots. Pick that head up. See, this didn't have any oil on it near your bike.
Yeah, I told you I was gonna go back and wash it first.
Yeah, but you never did.
And you said, "Hold on, let's see before you can find it."
Kind of tight, but it came out.
Well, I was just making sure it was straight through.
Oh.
Okay, I'm thinking that's not big enough. What do you think?
Was that the
Oh,
5?
right there.
Which
What size is that?
I think it was a 4.
Oh.
I might be wrong though. Yeah, it was 16 up from 12. That'd be a 4. Okay. You're right, we gotta go to 5.
Is that a shoulder on it too?
These are Gary Bang guides here. Ooh. Are these home to fit or are they just loose the goose already? Oh, I still gotta hold the piss out of those. I don't know if 5's enough.
You want to go straight to the 6?
That's what I'm thinking.
Well, I don't want this problem again.
They discontinued all these big sizes, you know. It's a good thing I keep obsolete parts laying around. That means I bought it a long time ago and it's still here.
That takes the stock Harley seal.
No, we'll be cutting that off. Okay, this is a 6. Oh,
There you go.
Now we got it. Okay, how high was that? Was like a 650 limit? Yeah, 650 up. We're at 750 right now.
That was without the shim.
And I'm measuring some. Ah, too low. Still aren't really tight either. They should be tighter than this.
It's not ziggling like that other one was.
So I'm used to having a shoulder, you beat it against a shoulder. There's 650 on the top. And a little past about 640. How much you got hanging at the bottom? Pretty good.
Not as much as the other one was.
It should be, it's the same guide.
Same length?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, no, I didn't see this part. Yeah, it's clean. Yeah.
No, I just don't. I think the next guy's 8. The next 7's got 10.
You like these ones better than the bronze?
They don't even have an 8, they go to 10.
You hear me?
I like iron instead of bronze, yes. Yeah, that's all we got. Yeah, they skip 8 and 9. They go to 10 the next size. All right, you think this other one's loose, is what you said?
I don't think it's loose. It wasn't loose. That was good. Solid.
Yeah, unlike this one, which isn't. My guess is the head's not very hard on the heat treat. It should be hard like that when you put in. This one is still not that hard. So I'd get a hold of them and find out, hey, what's going on? The stupid guides come loose. I had to put a 6 over from a standard to even get any tension at all on it.
Well, it's been riding loose for a while. It's beat to death.
Yeah, but it came loose and it shouldn't. You only got a year on this thing?
Nah, I got like 2 years now.
Yeah, whatever. I still complain. Either way, that hole is still, it went in barely soft. It's not super hard. I like to see a little more tension, but we're going up from 4 to 6. We didn't gain that much. Once I punched the hide through it, like it broached the hole out to the bigger size. And I've had that happen before on guides. You keep going bigger, bigger, bigger. It never gets any tighter because the aluminum's so soft it just expands the hole out, broaches it out, and there's nothing there. And that's what that feels like. It doesn't have the heat treat in the head like it should have it. And that's probably why it came loose to begin with. They're cheating on the heat treat part. All right, well, that's it for that. Enough head work. We gotta get back to important shit. Carburetor parts.
I'm gonna wash this. Use the black.